Hello there, welcome to CeX Morden. Today we've got the Oculus Quest 2 we're going to have a look at. Let's go. Oh, he's already wearing it! Hi guys, we're back. I've managed to get the Oculus off of Master Chief. It's back in the box, so we'll redo the box opening. Take two! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Let's go. Okay, so there we go, another box shot. Look at that, amazing. Starting off with the controllers. Made very well, lovely. These take AA batteries. Feel really good in your hands. Well designed. Power cable to charge the headset unit. And the headset. Nice and lightweight, compact. This is a self-contained unit. It's completely wireless, apart from the charge cable, but it doesn't connect to, there's no wires or cables that connect to any other part to this or the controller. It's self-contained, so this comes with its own hard drive, and you can download Oculus games to this system and play them from here. Got the charge port, USB-C charging, headphone jack, volume control, power button. On the sides we have spatial awareness cameras. Allow the system to know where you are in the room. And here on the inside we've got the display and a fully adjustable strap to fit any size head. Hi guys, I'm Mark. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed the Oculus Quest 2. We think it's a really good product. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and visit webuy.com and you can see what else we sell. That's it.